According to the passage, which of the following is true about the number and general nature of figures sung by the Indigo Bunting? The figures here refer to units of the songs sung by the Indigo Bunting, the bird Indigo Bunting. So let's not get confused with that. We see that here. These modulated sounds form recognizable units called figures. We see that the first paragraph introduces the Indigo Bunting and the song. The second paragraph talks about the qualities, the features of the song. And the third and fourth paragraphs are about certain experiments which were conducted in order to understand the song better or try a few other things. Say, for example, cross-species song identification in the bunting species. The fifth paragraph, the last paragraph, it is about a potential future of development of further song notes, etc. So in all probability, we'll find the answer in the second paragraph. Let's look at the options. They are established at birth. Now we can scour through the entire passage. This has not been mentioned. We do not know when the song sung by or the figures sung by the Indigo Bunting are developed. So A is incorrect. Option B says they evolve slowly as the bird learns. Now, again, we are not told about the evolution process or the timeline of evolution of the song or figures. So we cannot say whether they evolve slowly or fast. So B is incorrect. Option C tells us they are learned from other Indigo Buntings. This is quite true. We can see this from the last few statements, about 4 or 5 statements, but the last but one statement, it's all stating that there is very little variation in these songs or in the figures, despite the large frequency range of these sounds and the rapid frequency changes that the bird makes. The number of figures is very limited. Further, although we found some unique figures in different geographical populations, more than 90% of all the figures of birds from different regions are alike. Indigo bunting figures are extremely stable on a geographic basis. In our studies of isolating bunting, we found that male indigo buntings are capable of singing many more types of figures than they usually do. Thus, it would seem that they copy their figures from other buntings they hear singing. So, the last statement, it gives us exactly this, that the songs are learned from other indigo buntings. So we can qualify option C as a valid answer. Option D says they develop after the bird has been forced onto marginal breeding areas. Again, this is not true. We see marginal breeding areas or marginal territories in the first paragraph. When population density is high, only the strongest males can retain a suitable area. The weakest males do not breed or are forced to nest on poor or marginal territories. This has no connection with the songs, with the figures that we have noticed in the second paragraph. This is a different argument altogether. So D is completely irrelevant. The correct answer is option C.